Why are you coming to market now? Because there has been a huge flurry of activity in the Hong Kong market. I'm sure that has encouraged you to make a home here, but this isn't the first time that you've tried to come to market.
I think Hong Kong's capital market is more international platform, and for any global companies who want to focus on the overseas strategy, I think it's easier for us to attract attention from the global investors. And on the other hand, AUX grows very fast in recent years, and we want to select Hong Kong's capital market. It can bring some more better investors from global and can keep us increasing in the future. Yeah.
We are keeping track of the Chinese economy. It is impacted with a sluggish property market that has been in trouble for a couple of years now. The government, for its part, helping to boost consumption. Yeah. How has AUX Electric, AUX Air Conditioning been impacted by what's happening in China's economy?
I think the government subsidies increase customers' demand in AC. And I think it not only makes some high efficiency product sales better, and also let our customer can pay less money to buy AC. And for us, I think some middle and high level AC sales better this year. For example, we have the AUX series, which has a very core technology like AI voice control and smart action. It can improve our life experience. And this year, thanks to the government subsidies, sales very well. And I think AUX always commit to the customer first, this principle. So we keep improving our new technology, new product, and upgrade our AI technology. For example, AI voice control, AI smart, and AI comfort. So we hope we can make the AC industry towards more efficiency, environment friendly, and smart solution. Yeah.